Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you kidding me? Are you literally kidding me right now? Are you joking with me right now? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bailey. If you're new here, welcome back. You're welcome. We play around with makeup here, and today we're going to be trying out some lipsticks, hence why I don't have anything on my mouth. Today we're going to be trying the new Maybelline Color Sensational Ultimate Slim Lipstick. That's what we're going to be trying. There are 10 shades in total. It's supposed to be like extreme high impact pigment with a nice like plush matte feel. It's supposed to be blurring, which sounds great because my lips, you guys know, they're a little wrinkly, so maybe a nice blurring lipstick would be great. They are supposed to be non-drying and they are in a bullet packaging, and this little like bullet is so satisfying to like pump up and down because it clicks, and like, you know, I live for that. I'm on the Maybelline website and it actually gives you instructions on how to use. It says to apply on the center of your upper lip and follows the contours of your mouth, and then glide the matte lipstick across your bottom lip. I think that's really funny that it gives people instructions. Anyway, let's get to putting them on my lips. I have like a cute little smoky eye today, and I know you guys hate when I do like extreme eye looks with my makeup, so I thought like a smoky eye is like kind of neutral, right? Or am I crazy?
Yes.
Also, I'm feeling cute today. My hair is just like hanging here. I need a haircut. I kind of like gave myself a little trim 2 days ago, which was probably a mistake, but whatever. Today's a great day. Let's check the temperature. Oh my god, it's 3 degrees. There's a new frenemies today. Like today's a great day. I'm going to start with the shade 299 More Scarlet, and it looks to me like literally a bright red. Let's put her on. So she's definitely red. It's like a fire engine red. It's so bright and it's actually so beautiful. I feel like it makes my teeth look kind of white. Super soft on the lips. I don't know about the blurring part, but I mean, I feel beautiful. As far as the matte goes, I do need it to like sit on my lips in order to dry a little, because obviously right now it is a cream lipstick. I popped it on my lips. It is going to do that, obviously. Oh my god, how cute. Oh my god, that literally looks like the perfect little like lips kiss. Oh my god, if I like, hello, how are you doing? Okay, anyway, I've been around a child for too long. This lipstick has been on my lips for a solid 5 minutes while I was just like Instagramming a bit. It's not transfer resistant. I'm just gonna note that. Let's put on a new shade. Next, we have shade 399 More Magenta. Okay, I'm gonna say this. These lipsticks are super smooth. This is a bright color. See, this is the kind of color I don't know if I necessarily love on myself. Like when I see myself, I feel like it just kind of, I don't know if this kind of color does anything for me, but to each their own, obviously. They're so smooth, you guys. Like really, like applying this on, it like feels like I'm spreading butter on like a slab of like jello. Like it's just smooth. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of weird. Anyway, that is More Magenta. Next up, we have 499 More Blush. Yes, more blush. Okay, what do you guys think of this? I feel like this is like one of those colors that I'm like super into these days. Just like a light, soft, like girly, like just like my personality. Light, soft, and girly, you know. I like this color. Someone keeps calling me. Oh my god. I'm not answering. Anyway, this is the lipstick. Mwah. Speaking of mauve, we have more mauve, 599 right here. Ugh, I'm about to fall in love with this shade. Ugh, this is like what I want to wake up looking like every single day. This eye with this lip and this lace, this is what I feel like. I don't know. I love this color. I have no complaints. The formula is still beautiful. Ugh, I feel like a superstar right now. Like I live for this color. do enjoy. You know, typically when I do a lip swatch video, I'll usually go from lightest to darkest because that's how brands have kind of matched up their numbers, is lightest to darkest. But that's not the case here, but we have the shade 999 More Truffle. And I think I'm gonna like this one, you guys. Let's put it on. I feel like literally a 90s supermodel. Like I feel, you know what? I feel like Maybelline kind of knew what I was going to be doing today. And I feel like the color that I have in my crease is kind of this color. And I feel like it's just like all matchy matchy, you know? Beautiful. Love it. Those are the color, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have the glosses, the lifter glosses to try. Let me know if you guys want me to try these. I have put this one on already, which that is the shade 001 Pearl, and like I live. And I feel like I haven't done glosses like maybe since my like Drawer Cosmetics glosses, or no, the Too Faced glosses. I think I'm going to be doing some gloss swatches. Anyway, that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the week. I hope it's warming up. Texas, I hope you're warming up over there. Today is +3 here. It was like -27 like on Saturday. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.